Take cover, Madison. Hit my hopper. He's out. You got him, Cooper. Nice shot.
Perfect.
I don't know. He's over on this side. The pump gun and Ben are both on the right. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You still alive, Cooper? Okay, good. Can you watch the left side and I'll watch the right? So that way we make sure that we don't get bunkered.
Christian's in the back there.
Yeah, Christian's back there. And there's one other person with him as well.
Okay.
I think it's Connor. Ben's on the right. He's falling back. He's gone. He's out of our vision. He's straight that. Cooper, he's that way. Yeah. You can try.
Now he'll get me.
I could try. I don't know if I want to though, because I'd be getting closer to Ben that way.
Yeah, he's beginning close to Ben. Anything closer is too risky.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Sam. Sam, did you get the pump? Okay. Okay. Christian is there. Ben is around there. We need to move up though. Let's get something going.
Where are you going, Annie?
I see Ben. Okay, Ben, he's in the second. Okay, you see that building straight in front of you?
Yep.
He's in the one right behind it.
Church?
Yeah, he's in the church. Yeah, don't shoot through the hole, of course.
No, I know. Good looking. Here comes Christian.
They have it. Is he moving up?
Just close his building.
Okay, they've got at least 2 people left. They might have more. Sorry. What hand do you shoot? You shoot this way or this way? That way? Then you want to cover that side. Okay? Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, just like the bunker?
Yeah.
Okay.
The bunker, maybe the building.
All right, I'll pin down Christian then, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, count me down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I need to reload. Who did?
Ben.
Ben did? Oh, fuck, alright,
Oh, he's out.
Is he out?
I think he's out.
Yeah, someone got him. That's it. I got shot right in the hopper at the start. Did you get Ben?